Hello, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kaylee and my channel is based around cleaning motivation, but I like to do decorating videos for almost every season. And so today is actually the part 2 of my Christmas decorating. So if you haven't seen the first one, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. That way you can go watch that one first before this one. But today's video, I'm just decorating my upstairs. So I have this little hallway area, and then I'm doing like my little family movie room and then my bedroom. So I'm really excited, especially for my bedroom. I'm super obsessed with it. It looks really good. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'm still catching up on comments on my previous video because you guys loved that one so much. I really hope you enjoy part 2.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast.
So before we get too far into today's video, I want to show you this affordable and sustainable jewelry line called Ana Luisa. Their pieces range from $39 and up, and their products come from the same jewelers as Tiffany's and Louis Vuitton, which is so cool to me, and I don't have to pay the insane luxury price markups. They have a 1-year warranty of their pieces that have manufacturer defects. They produce sustainable jewelry and have an amazing goal that they're trying to achieve by the end of 2020, and that is to be at a net zero carbon footprint. That is amazing. So thank you so much for even trying to get to that point. So the pieces I chose are very much my style. I love dainty jewelry. I love hoop, and I also love pearls. So I had to grab a pair of these earrings with little pearls at the end of them. They're so cute. And the bracelet that I chose is very much my style. It's very dainty and super cute. My style consists of a lot of solid color pieces, so it's extremely easy to pair this jewelry with literally anything. So what you're going to do is go to analuisa.com/simplykayleebf, and that stands for Black Friday. Since Black Friday is coming up super quick, and you don't have to actually type in the coupon code when you add stuff to your cart because it's already going to be there for you. So I will leave the link down below in my description box. That way it's super easy to click on and you guys can go browse if you want to. I love their pieces, and also am completely obsessed with this jewelry box, and I will be getting it. I kind of wish I ordered this jewelry box ahead of time since I'm going to Disney in a couple days, but I'm obsessed with it. It's super convenient, and I like that you can put your bracelets in the little pouch and you can actually take that out and actually hang your earrings on it as well. So thank you again, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go check out their amazing website. I love their jewelry. 10 out of 10 recommend. Their shipping is super fast as well, so make sure you keep that in mind. Now let's get back into the motivation because we know we have a lot of it to get through.
Maybe just a bit. It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high. If you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. inside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Okay, so I decided I wanted to try and make cake balls, so here we go.
told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you. Coming down my chimney on Christmas Day. We'll be side by side to see. This year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming.
So this is the chocolate that I chose because I thought it was going to be really good, but it did not melt very well. So if you have suggestions, please leave them down below, or if you have any recipes, please leave the links down below as well, because I want to make these really, really, really bad, and it just was not working with this chocolate for whatever reason. It was getting really hard super quick, and that was only like a couple seconds. So here is my 2 little cake balls. But that is the end of the video for today, and I really hope you enjoyed. I love you, and thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Home to me.